दूसरा बंदा वीज़ा के चक्कर में है। हर कोई मौका मिलते ही मुल्क से निकलना चाहता है, लेकिन सिर्फ ये लोग नहीं जाते, साथ इनके आइडियाज़, पैसा और टैलेंट भी जाता है। So let's discuss Pakistan and its never-ending immigration wave and how it affects Pakistan's economy. पहले बात करते हैं immigration की। People move from one country to another to get better opportunities and lifestyle. And from Pakistan, a lot of people move to find better jobs and get better education. लेकिन इससे पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी को क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? Think of a young man. He's well educated, he comes from a higher class background and he runs a business here. His business employs around 200 people. These people are from a more middle class background and they depend on this job to support their families. Now let's say he shuts down the company and moves abroad for better opportunities. Now he's working there. Sure, he's still sending money to his family, but what about those workers? Their jobs disappear. Such skilled people leaving the country causes unemployment and slows down economic growth for many others. It's not all bad. This money becomes a major source of foreign income for Pakistan, but still, that's just a short-term support. For long-term growth, we need entrepreneurs, business owners, and skilled workforce over here, not just abroad. Immigration is just not a problem for Pakistan. Other countries have it too. Countries which receive immigrants often benefit. Immigrants fill in labor jobs and bring new skills. But when a large number of people move in, it puts pressure on public services like hospitals, transport, and housing. Cities become overcrowded, and then job tension also grows. Other local workers feel like their jobs are being taken away by the immigrants. Then there's something called brain waste. This happens when a highly educated immigrant can't find a job in their field abroad. So then they end up doing something that's more low skill, like working in fast food or driving a taxi. That's a waste of talent for both the person and the country. So while immigration creates opportunity for people, it also creates challenges for both the country that they leave and the country that they go to.